Hello friends, myself Amar. Now in this video I will discuss about image picker. Okay. Now before going into the code, let me tell you, if you don't know about Flutter, then you can refer my Flutter tutorial series and the link you can find in the description of my video. Okay. Now here you can see in the output there is a text, select image, and there are two buttons, from camera, from gallery. Means if you click on from camera, then you can capture the image from the camera and you can display the image here in the select image text. And if you click on from gallery, then you can select the image from gallery and the selected image will be displayed here. Okay. Now to do that, what I will use a plugin. Now you can see here I have created a project named as Flutter Image Picker Demo, and in the pubspec.yaml I have used a plugin named as Image Picker, right? Now after using this plugin, you need to synchronize the project by clicking on packages get, and once you have done that, now let me move to this main.dart file. Now here you can see in the main.dart file, inside the main method there is a run app method. In the run app method I am inflating a widget named as image picker demo. Okay. Now this image picker demo is extending a stateful widget. Now if you don't know about stateful widget, then you can follow a link in the description of video for your reference, okay, about the stateful widget, right? Now in this image picker demo class, what I have done, I have overridden a create state method which is returning another class named as image picker demo state. Okay. Now here you can see the corresponding class I have created named as image picker demo state, which is extending the state of which widget? Image picker demo widget. Okay. Now in this class I have created a variable named as selected image, and the type of this variable is file. Now this file is a class present inside the Dart package. Okay. And this file class is present inside the dart.io package, right? Now in the build method, what I have done, I have overridden a material app method, and in the debug so check mode banner I have made it false such that the debug banner is invisible. The title of the material app is image picker demo. Now in the home I have used a scaffold widget. In the scaffold widget there is a app bar, and the title of the app bar I have given as image picker, as you can see here, the image picker, and I have made the center title property as true such that the title is visible in the center of the app bar, right? Now in the body I have used a material widget. Now in the material widget there is a child named as list view. In the list view, as a children I am using a column widget, right? Now in the column widget as a children I am using a padding widget, and I have given a padding of 16, 8, 8 for top side, left side and right side. Okay. Now in the padding again I am using a column widget, and in the children of the column widget I am using a container widget, right? Now in the container as a child, here I have given the condition if selected image equals to null. Now if you remember, I have declared a variable named as selected image, and in Dart everything is object. So by default this variable will have the value as null. Okay. And since the value is null, this means by default this text will be displayed, that is select image, and you can see the text is displayed here, select image. Okay. And the style of this text is, the font size is 20 and the font weight is bold, as you can see here. Okay. So if the selected image is null, then text will be displayed, and if the selected image is not null, then what will happen? It will display the image from the file. Which file? The file which will be selected by the user, and the selected file will be stored inside this variable. Now how it will be stored, that I will discuss later on. Now for the time being, you just remember that if this variable is null, then text will be displayed, and if this variable is not null, then the file or the image which has been stored inside this selected image variable, that will be displayed in this container, right? Now again As a second child of this color widget, I have used the padding widget. In the padding widget, I have given the padding of 16.0 from all sides. Okay. Now, as a child of this padding widget, I have taken a row, and inside this row, I have taken two raised buttons. As you can see, there are two raised buttons in the row. One is from camera, another one is from gallery. Okay. Now here you can see for the first one, the raised button, the shape is outline input border, and I have given the border radius as circular radius as 16.0. That's why this button has an output line border, right? And due to this radius 16.0, this is curved, right? And the border side, the color of the border I have given as white. As you can see, the border of the button has the color as white. Okay. And the color, background color of the button I have given as purple, as you can see here. Okay. And once I click on this button, then which method will be called? The method which will be called is get image from camera, right? Similarly, for the second button, I have given for the first button, the text I have given as camera, and the color of the text I have given as white, and the font size I have given as 18.0. This means for this button, the text color is white and the font size I have given as 18.0. This is for the first button, right? Similarly, for the second button, again I have done the same thing, just I have changed the color, just I have changed the caption as from gallery, as you can see. And in the on praised method, I have called which method? I have called the method which is called as get image from gallery. Okay. Now here it is not required to use async, because the async method I will use directly in the get image gallery method. Okay. And here a semicolon will be required. Okay. So for the first button, that is for the camera, in the on praised method I am calling a method get image from camera, and for the second button, that is gallery, which method will be called get image from gallery. And all these methods I have created here. As you can see, the first method is get image from gallery. Now this method will be a async method. Now if you don't know about async, future, await, then you can refer any Dart tutorial, right? Now inside this method, what I have done, I have used a method called as pick image. Now this method is present inside the image picker class, and this image picker class I am getting from the plugin which I have used. And you can see the corresponding package I have imported here, that is this one. Okay. And to use that async await, I have used the dart.async package, right? So here you can see image picker.pick image, and in the source I have specified the source as gallery. This means if you want to take the image from gallery, then you need to specify the source as gallery, and if you want to take the image from camera, then you need to specify the source as camera, right? So here you can see I have used image picker.pick image. In the source I have specified gallery, and in the set state method what I am using selected image equals to image. This means the image which will be selected, that will be stored inside this variable. And the same thing I have done in the get image from camera method. The only difference is that here the source I have specified as camera. Okay. And the selected image from the camera I have stored inside the selected image variable. Now once I will select the image from gallery, or I will capture the image from the camera, this variable will not be null. And if it is not null, then you can remember that inside this container widget, instead of this text, because this selected image is not null, so text will not be displayed. Instead of text, the image will be displayed, which will be stored inside this variable. Okay. Now let me show you practically. Here you can see this is the thing. Now if I click on from camera, then the camera is coming, and after that I can capture it, and once the image is captured I can select it and see the image has been displayed, right? And this is the entire code. As you can see, this is the entire code for the project. Just have a look. So the required links for Flutter, for stateful widget, you can find in the description of this video, and you guys can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. The links you can find in the description. Okay, I hope you guys are liking my videos. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos. Okay, thank you so much. And this is the entire code. Thank you so much.